Are you wondering whether it's okay to take kids to Italy? Well, we just took our granddaughter, Parker, who's 8, for an unforgettable trip. And we've got plenty of tips to help you plan your own family adventure. In fact, we took our whole family of 6.
We'll be honest with you, Italy isn't always the easiest destination with little ones, but it can be one of the most rewarding. Let's talk about what worked for us and what didn't, and how you can make the most of Italy with kids.
One of the biggest highlights of our trip was a pizza and gelato making class in Florence. It was hands-on fun, and Parker absolutely loved it. Honestly, we all did, and it was so yummy.
Hey, if you're traveling with kids, we definitely recommend booking interactive experiences like this. Not only are they fun, they also help kids feel involved and entertained. Whether it's cooking, painting, Venetian masks, or visiting a local farm, these things kids will remember for the rest of their lives.
Italy can feel like a whirlwind if you try to do too much. With kids, it's important to slow things down. Plan for naps, park breaks, and a few easygoing days.
Park breaks are not bad, especially if you got a little bottle of wine where you can sit over there and relax in the shade while she plays a little. Sometimes the best memories happen when you're not rushing. Just relax. In the piazza, watching street performers, or letting your kid run through the fountain square.
Parker ran around in those piazzas a lot. Of course, we had our eye on her, but the kids were just hanging out and running and playing. Be sure you pack activities as well. iPads, coloring books, sticker packs, whatever it's on. Parker likes to do worksheets from school. And so we took a lot of those, and she did those on the trains and on the airplanes. And take a few snacks, prepackaged, of course, because you can't take open snacks into fruit and things like that into Italy.
And what surprised us was that there were playgrounds everywhere in Italy. In Rome, Florence, Venice, even the smaller towns. We'd turn a corner and we'd find slides and swings.
We found one in Cinque Terre. It was the greatest little play area, right overlooking, had a wonderful view for us.
Beautiful view.
These are great for letting kids burn off energy and also for connecting with local families.
And if your kid loves pasta, they're going to be in heaven. It's on every menu because if they're a picky eater, be prepared. Italy doesn't do chicken nuggets and mac and cheese like back home.
Well, pizza's another good option.
You bet.
We packed a few snacks just in case, and it helped. Also, don't be afraid to ask restaurants for simple dishes. Most places will accommodate a plain pasta or a smaller portion.
Italy's coastlines are beautiful, and if your child likes water, a boat day or beach afternoon is a must.
We did both. We went to the island of Capri, and we went to Amalfi and Positano.
Right.
And both of those trips were just amazing. But we pre-booked them through a trusted company that we use. You want to make sure that you have something that's reliable and family-friendly with clear pickup and safety rules.
In our experience, Italy is best with kids around 7 and up. That's the age where they can enjoy walking tours, appreciate cool sights like castles and ruins, and they can handle the transportation.
If you're bringing a toddler or baby, it's doable, but just know there are a lot of stairs, a lot of hills, and a lot of uneven streets. Strollers can be a real challenge in many parts of Italy. We based ourselves in Sorrento while exploring the Amalfi Coast, and it was a perfect choice with Parker. It's much flatter than Positano, easier to get around, and it has sidewalks, parks, and even a small beach. And it was really just local friendly.
And from Sorrento, we took day trips to Positano, Amalfi, and even a boat ride to Capri. The ferries and trains made everything accessible without a rental car.
We also visited Cinque Terre, and while it's beautiful, it's not very stroller friendly. Lots of stairs and narrow paths, but Parker absolutely loved it.
And if you go with kids, stay in Monterosso. It's the flattest of all 5 towns, and it has a real sandy beach. And the trains between the villages is fun and easy to use, even with little ones.
Kids just love the trains. All the different transportation modes that we took while we were in Italy.
It made it an adventure.
So, should you take kids to Italy? Absolutely. It's a trip filled with history, culture, and adventure. And with the right planning, it's just as fun for kids as it is for adults.
And if you want help planning that trip that works for your family, from where to stay, what tours to book, how to get around, that's what we do. We're Randy and Lisa from The Getaway Travel, and we want to help you plan that family trip to Italy that's both magical and manageable.
Get in touch with us and let's make your Italy with kids dream a reality.
Now watch our next video, which is tips you'll need before traveling to Italy.